Today I'm gonna show you how to draw the glitch effect. It's not too hard to pull off, the results are pretty cool, and once you get the end of it, you can apply it to any character. Let's dive into the video, and if you're new here, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, okay? Let's go to the video. Step number 1. Sketching. For beginners, I recommend starting with a simple drawing. I've chosen Homer Simpson for this one. For this drawing, I will be using Posca markers, okay? But you can use other markers too. In the next step, we will be outlining the drawing we made with a black marker. For this glitch effect, we will need a red marker and a blue marker. First, grab the red marker and start outlining to the left of the black outline. Once you're done with that, grab the blue marker and do the same thing on the right side of the black outline. After that, grab the black marker again and touch up your drawing, in case you went over the black, like I did. We almost done with this glitch effect, but before we finished up, take a ruler and draw horizontal lines, with the red marker and the blue marker. In the final step, take a white marker and draw some glitches in random spots of the drawing. This really amps up the cool factor of the effect, and that's how you draw the glitch effect. I'm really digging how my drawing turned out, so if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. We are so close to hitting 10k subscribers. Please
subscribe.
If you have any questions about the glitch effect, drop them in the comments and I will do my best to answer. Thanks for watching, and I see you in the next video.